Under the moon's soft glow, I tap away, with code unfurling in a digital ballet. My keyboard whispers secrets in the night, in lines of syntax, love's pure delight. The coffee steams like dreams that never cease. In binary I fear I found my peace. Arrays and functions dance on screen, in this nocturnal world where I've always been. Oh, my heart's in the cold, late hours unfold, in a realm where logic and magic hold. Symbols and loops, a lover's prose, in this coder's parade where I've always been. With every bug I fight till dawn's first light, debugging heartaches in the quiet night. The compiler sings a tune so bittersweet, a melody complete beneath my feet. Runtime errors, my midnight blues, but I find solace in this muse, in strings and integers, a world of rhyme, where every semicolon marks the time. Nested loops are like vows I can't betray, each function call a beckoning to stay. Variables named in whisper soft, in the program of midnight dreams alone. Oh, my heart's in the cold, late hours unfold, in a realm where logic and magic hold. Symbols and loops, a lover's prose, in this coder's parade where I've always been. With every bug I fight till dawn's first light, debugging heartaches in the quiet night. The compiler sings a tune so bittersweet, a melody complete beneath my feet. Runtime errors, my midnight blues, but I find solace in this muse, in strings and integers, a world of rhyme, where every semicolon